Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube link to your LinkedIn profile in just a minute. It's a very easy process, so I'm not taking much time and I will show you right away how to do that. First of all, go to your profile section. If you don't find your profile, just click on the view profile and you will get into this page. Then click in that button. As you can see here, the pencil button, click on that. After going there, just go to the bottom. Previously, it was shown like a website, but it's now changed and now it shows like a custom button. Click on the edit custom button. You will find two options. One is none and other is link. Click on the link. Now go to your YouTube channel. I have already copied my YouTube URL, but I am copying it once more time. Just copy your link and paste it here. And here in the link test, you can give anything you want, like my channel, my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube, anything like that. I'm simply keeping it as a YouTube and then clicking save button. As you can see, it's already saved. Now on my profile, you can see this option and the link is already linked here. If I click in this link, it will directly go to my YouTube profile or YouTube page. You can do the same. You can do the same for any kind of link. Like if you want to add your website link here, the system or the process is same. If you want to add your calendar link, then also the process is also same. And it's a very simple process. If you have any question, please comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel.